Hi, my name is Santosh Yamla. My wife Soumya. As we are searching for our home interiors, I'm very much impressed with the main entrance and the nameplate she has given us. I'm very happy with that.
Yeah, we are very happy that we met Praveena because our dream house made with Praveena. We are very happy to have you, Praveena. She took many inputs from us and she also gave many inputs to us. As this is a small house, she made some and she kept our children in the mind and made the edges, all things very smooth, and the kitchen counter, everything was made very smooth by keeping our children in her mind.
As the color combination was also very nice, and you can see this wardrobes and beds. It's very excellent. We have liked it so much.
The puja unit also came very good, and we have a space, a very space utilization. Good space utilization. She suggested as the kitchen is very small, where she suggested the breakfast counter, which gave the elegant look for the kitchen and space. So as there is no space, she made it a small and good looking one.
చాలా బాగా చేస్తుంది, మేము అనుకున్నట్లుగా చేసింది, చాలా బాగుంది. నాకు దేవుంది చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది, చాలా బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. దేవుడి టెంపుల్ మంచిగా.
I especially thank Praveena and Kiran making this my home beautiful. With a special thanks for Viz Interiors. Thank you.